Okay, so we're going to be doing another unboxing, and right now we've got the, I think it's pronounced Sencor Electric Kettle. This is a 1100 watt electric kettle. It's got power indicators, water level that's visible on both sides. It's got a lid safety lock that keeps it from obviously dumping out. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so inside, and this thing is very lightweight, by the way. It's compact, it's pretty small. It'd be perfect to put into a drawer or a shelf or something of that nature. I mean, it's super light. And basically the way this one works is it's got a base, okay, that you plug in, and the cord's a little stiff right now because it's been sitting out in a cold garage in a box waiting for me to pick it up. But basically, let me see if I can straighten this out a little bit. The base will sit down. I can't, the cord won't relax. This sits on there, and then up underneath is the connector. So basically it just connects on there, plug it in, and you've got a kettle going. So this is your on-off, it looks like. There's your safety switch. And it holds 1 liter of fluid. There's your max level. It's got a nice little indicator on the side. Pretty nice. This would be great for making hot teas or something of that nature. It looks like it's got a removable filter here in the front, so when you go to pour your tea or whatever, it automatically strains it before it comes on out, which is a nice feature. That way you're not fishing out leaves and whatnot out of your cup. Alright, Sencor Electric Kettle. We'll give it a shot in the next one, see how it works. And just a note, I am not sponsored by any of these products. These are just items that I use around the house. So it's just one of those things where, you try it out. I've got some uses for this. If this one doesn't work, I do have another one that I also have. For anything that I have, I usually give it away or donate it. It's just for fun. But again, I've got some uses for this that I think this is going to work perfect for. Alright. Just wanted to make sure y'all understand I'm not endorsing any product. I'm not pushing this product. It's just a review. Alright, on to the next.